What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a ton to talk about because there's been a ton of stuff that happened in the stock market. So before we go ahead and start this video, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that like button. Let's get 1,000 likes, and also hit that subscribe button. And to make sure you don't miss any videos, make sure to turn on those post notifications. That way you'll be notified every time I upload. Before we go ahead and start this video, I first want to show the family some love. So let's go. The first comment comes from Methoman9577. He says, wish I found this last night. Methoman, big salute to you. I really appreciate that comment, but don't worry, okay? I'm gonna be uploading every day, but as long as you have those post notifications on, you will be good, Methoman. The second comment comes from Mateo, and he says the thumbnail looks good. Major salute to you, Mateo. I appreciate that comment so much, and I'll take that into consideration. So going forward, instead of putting a screenshot in the video's thumbnails, I will get a custom one going for you guys. Next up, we have a comment from Chris Sun 1823, and he says good content. Chris, thank you so much for your comment. That made my day. Next up, we have Nvidia, ticker symbol NVDA. Guys, I always say this, Nvidia is a stock that is a gift that keeps on giving. Take a look at this. Nvidia reached high of day at 133, and we picked up Nvidia below the 130s. Guys, take a look at this on the 1 week chart. Nvidia is down 6.69%. We got a dip all the way from 128.71, and last time we had a dip this low, it bounced. So what did we do? We grabbed the dip and we got paid nicely for it. But as the markets start turning once again, we are now going to start looking for trades on the downside. So Nvidia's up 1.36% on the day, but now if Nvidia cannot break the 132 level, I'm going to be looking and taking some puts tomorrow. But if Nvidia breaks this 133 level, I'm going to be looking into taking calls. So right now with Nvidia, we are playing in a $4 range. Our lows are 129 and the top is at 133. So I'm gonna need all of you to take a close look at Nvidia tomorrow. So if Nvidia has a downside sentiment, I'm gonna shift my trading and then go ahead and enter puts. Remember, when the market presents newer opportunity, it's always a great thing to take it. Let me know if you made some money on ticker symbol PLTR. Palantir Technologies is up 3.5% today. Guys, Palantir Technologies bounced all the way from 70.90 to up all the way to 76.39. Guys, you see how we do it here. We rinse and repeat. We saw every time that Palantir Technologies goes down to the 70 levels, basically those $10 increments, we load up on the dips, then we get rewarded. Okay, so this one popped up $6. We obviously made huge profits with that. It's cooling off at $74 right now. So if we could see a pop back again to break that resistance of 76.39, that would be awesome. But guys, I'm gonna need you to look out in case the market flips tomorrow. Okay, currently the S&P 500 is on a downtrend. So when it's on a downtrend, we have to make our way into looking into grabbing some puts. Just like we make our money with our calls, we can also buy puts. So you should be happy at getting another opportunity at making money. On the 1 week, Palantir Technologies is up 1.61%. And take a look at this, guys. Every time Palantir Technologies goes down to 70.36, right, those $70 levels, it has a bounce. Take a look at this again. We bounced right here. Okay, 71.44 yesterday. We made our bounce all the way to $74 at the close. So I'm gonna need you guys to take a close look at Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR. Let me know down below in the comments if you made some money with me. All right, guys, I'm gonna need you to take a look at ticker symbol TSLA, Tesla stock. Guys, on the 1 week, it is down 0.32%. If you guys saw the top, it was at 484. Okay, so after FOMC, it obviously took its dip, but we rode it on the way up. Now let's go ahead and ride it to the downside, guys. So take a look at this. Tesla was up all the way to 450. We got our bounce, then we saw that the market became weak. Okay, so we had our usual V recovery here at 940. Take a look at this. Tesla was at $424. It made its way to $440, but then rejected the 440 levels, guys. So right now we're sitting at 426.90. Okay, so we're down 2% overnight. Right now, this market sentiment is shifting towards the downside. So what we need to do, okay, since we're trading Tesla, we need to be looking into grabbing some puts. So coach is going to go ahead. We're going to hit trade options on 1 week. We're going to go ahead and look over here at the $420 puts sitting at 970. Also, for those who don't have as much money to do the play, let's go ahead and take a look at the $400 put sitting at $4.70. Take a look at this. Ivy is sitting at 70%. So a pretty pretty good option to trade, especially when Tesla makes those moves. It moves like crazy, guys. Tesla usually goes up 5% up in a day or just goes down. We're going to be looking for a big move. And on the technicals, we rejected, remember, $440, and our low of day is $420, right? So it's showing 422. It was basically like $420. So if Tesla goes down, rejects, crashes down the 420 level, we're going to be looking into taking puts, guys, so we can make money on this way down. We have to adapt fast with the market, guys. First of all, we have to be talking about the S&P 500. Guys, SPY right now is sitting at 582.56. Remember in the last video, I talked about a range on the S&P 500 with 588 at the top and 583 at the bottom. Currently, we're breaking on the downside of this range. So just like how we made money on the top side, we now can make money on the downside. Remember, guys, here we make money on the way up, and also when it comes down, we also make money. Next up, I'm gonna need you guys to take a look at ticker symbol AAPL. Apple, guys, is sitting at $248.36 right here, up on the high of day. It hit $251.79, and right now it's $3 down. So take a look at, guys, just as it hit 247, it opened up, ran all the way to 251, and then rejected 251. So what does this tell us? Once again, Apple, just like all the other stocks, is looking weak. Okay, with the market, we are shifting the sentiment once again. So I'm gonna need you guys to take a look at trade. I'm gonna hit trade options. We're gonna be going 1 week out, and we're gonna be looking at a put instead of a call, because once we're looking into the market going down, we want to be taking a look at puts, not calls. Calls is when you're looking and you're thinking the stock is gonna go up. We're gonna be looking at put. Okay, I'm gonna need you guys to go in increments of 5. Remember, 245 put, okay, sitting at $150. And if we go down here to the 240 put, we're going to be looking at $80 per contract. Okay, so coach just wants to let you know you can play the downside on Apple. We absolutely got to the top of Apple. It's a rinse and repeat stock. We always make money on Apple. Now it's the time. Times are shifting. We need to go ahead and make money on the downside of Apple. So let's go back to the charts, guys. Take a look at this. On the 1 week, Apple is up 0.5%. Take a look at this. Once it breaks this 248 level, okay, we're going to be heading down towards the $246 level. So guys, tomorrow is going to get crazy. Take a look at Apple once again. On the 1 month, Apple is up 9%. So as fast as it ran up, okay, let's go ahead and hit some home runs on the downside, guys. Next up, guys, we have ticker symbol BA. Boeing stock, guys, has been a beautiful journey. Take a look at this. On the 1 week, it is up 6% in the past week. On 1 month, it is up 20% in the past month. Guys, we went over Boeing stock just a week ago. We were talking about how we were adding on the 153 dips. Okay, take a look at this. Boeing was at 154 just before it launched up. Okay, if you guys see right here what's going on, okay, what's the lessons that coach has been teaching you guys in the past week? Okay, Boeing has a triple top. Okay, right here, 160. You could see there's a top. If we go to the left, okay, take a look at this, 160, another top. And if we go right here, take a look at this, 159.58, another top. And what did Boeing do? Boeing broke over the triple top. It soared over to 164. It rejected just a bit and made its run. Okay, then we had a top at, let's take a look at this, 168. Then again, it rejected, but went back down to the supports of 164. But guys, since we broke above 164, that became the new support. And yet again, Boeing ran up all the way to 174. And take a look, okay, take a look at this, 174 right here. It broke up to 174, came back down to 172. That's our next support. Okay, once again, 172 is the next support for Boeing, and it rode up to 177. So what happened again? Let's go ahead, rinse and repeat. We go down to 122. We didn't break down 172. So what did we do? We broke past this resistance, made a high. Okay, we made a high today at 180s, guys. Take a look at this. Boeing ran all the way up to 179.40. Okay, so now since we're going in a downtrend everywhere, I'm going to be taking a look on the reversal of Boeing. Okay, we play this on the way up. We do our thing here. We rinse and repeat. We make money on the way up. Now it's time to make money on the bottom. So just like I said, how 172 was the support. Okay, I'm going to be watching that very closely tomorrow. Okay, and take a look at this. 178 is going to be our resist. So Boeing is in this middle of the range right here of 178 and the bottom being 174. So if I see Boeing breaking down 174, I'm going to be looking at puts tomorrow, just like all the other stocks in the market. Okay, this is the time to take a look into puts if you haven't already. Okay, we made money with calls. Now it's time to switch up, go into puts. Okay, on 1 month, Boeing's up 20%. So now it's time to play the reversal, guys. guys. And you guys know about cryptos too, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum. Bitcoin hit all the way up to 100,000 and it's selling off a bit. It's what it usually does all the time, right? Once you run up to an all-time high, you can't just expect it to keep going up and up and up. Okay, there's sell-offs. There's days when there's sell-offs. Same with Ethereum. Ethereum was at 2,400, right? It gained up all the way to 4,000 and it's had its sell-off again. Okay, Ethereum went from 4,000. Now it's like about 3,500, 3,400. That is totally normal in the market, guys. So we got to go ahead and play with the sentiment. YouTube, hopefully you like this video. I put a ton of jam-packed bangers in here. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button. We do videos just like this every day, so it'd be greatly appreciated if you guys could hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, because I do spend hours upon hours getting all the charts down, making these videos for you guys, working with editors, working with thumbnail maker. Guys, it would help me out so much. So please hit that like button, please hit that subscribe button, and coach will see you all later. I believe in you guys. Good luck tomorrow. Peace out.